Hey there, welcome to the shop. I would love to talk to you a little bit about this sanding disc from Spetool that I've been using. It's a 5-inch disc. It is a 120 grit and it is mesh. And I don't know if you have used mesh sanding discs before, but look at that, you can see me. It's outstanding. It just absolutely picks up almost 100% of the dust instead of spreading it all over your bench. And that's what I'm going to show you right now, is how this works on some, I'm sanding up a little maple, sanding up a little black walnut. So I was going to go ahead and turn the camera on this, sand for a little while, and I have completely cleaned out my sander. I've blown it out, I've vacuumed everything out of it, so it is 100% clean and ready to roll. I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together right now. Snap this on. There we go. And we're going to put this right on there. You'll be able to see how it works. All right, let's get to sanding. All right, I've got a little curly maple here, and you can see my bench is pretty much dust free. So here we go. All right, so you can see, yeah, there's a little bit of dust there. There's a little bit on the outside of my machine, but you know, honestly, not having the vacuum turned on with this, I kind of expected that. But that's where most of the dust ends up, where it should, instead of in your lungs. I'm going to go ahead and change it up a little bit now. I'm going to hook the vacuum cleaner up instead of this, and I'll get all this cleaned back up, and then we'll do that on the next piece. Now you can take a look at the side of the sander, and there's not much dust on there at all. And the same for my for bench. There's just a little tiny bit. Now if this was a regular sanding disc, my bench would be covered in dust and my side of my machine would be covered in dust. But what this does is just allows that airflow to get in there and remove that dust. And the other thing about it that I'm really impressed with is the finish that you get from this. It's just outstanding. There's no swirls, there's nothing like that. So both of these pieces have turned out really nice, and very impressed. Okay, so there you have it. These sanding discs from Spetool are a great addition to your shop. I'm going to leave a link in the video description down below. Check them out.